Sharks are having a ton of green cubes. The Waffles getting 1 cube into that goal. The Waffles are also pushing these red goals off the post for some extra points. Tiger Sharks pushing off the red as well, getting a ton of cubes into their system. The Waffles dropping another green cube into that goal for the bonus. So in 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Tiger Sharks lining up to get some more cubes into these goals right here. As we get to 25 seconds, you must have switched drivers. Tiger Sharks lifting up, getting some purples into the goal. As we get to the last 15 seconds, Tiger Sharks is lining up to the other goal to see if they can get their greens in. Meanwhile, the Waffles trying to grab more greens. Tiger Sharks filling up another goal with some green cubes. As we get to the last 5 seconds, we'll see if these teams can pull off a partial card.